back to Tips and Tricks. I'm Grant.
I'm Jacob.
And I'm Oliver.
And we're the Green and Black Squad. And today we're going to be doing biking and skipping rocks. But biking's going to be first, and then we'll do skipping rocks.
And then they'll end the video, and we might do one tomorrow. So
Yep.
Stay in tune for that.
And I might have a little bit on my phone later tonight of my trampoline. So we'll do that later tonight. And so see you then.
Let's jump in. Okay, so the first contestant who wants to do the biking tricks first?
No pedals, and you have to do a wheel. It's a little bit hard, but you have to get down the hill. So we go down this hill right here. Wherever you have the hill, you can do it. On a curve. A really high curve. So no feet on the pedals. Go down, and then
And my trick is you ride on the very top, and then you do a wheelie in to the thing.
Any more tricks, guys?
I got one more. You can behind the back and go off the curb. And the tip to that one is you want to learn and you want to know how to ride with one hand.
Yeah, one-handed ride.
So like this.
another one is what Grant just showed you, one-handed. So like if somebody's saying bye-bye, you can say bye.
Yeah.
One-handed.
Hi, Jacob. Hi. Hi, Ollie.
Hi.
So that might end biking, and we'll go do skipping rocks for a while.
And then
Yeah,
we might
let's
show
do
you
it.
some fish down at a different creek.
Yeah.
So if you guys have any questions, we are doing this video with caution. So we are looking both ways when we're going into the street. So we are doing this video with caution. So we are going to move on to skipping rocks now. Wait, I gotta do my tricks.
Yeah. Here, I'll film you.
You have to be gentle with it so
Yeah.
the mic doesn't.
You're on your bike, Dad, too?
Yeah, we went back and forth. So here's Ollie's two tricks.
So if you want to learn how to stand, you can stand and ride with one hand. So like
Tip to that one is learn how to stand on your bike first.
So you want to learn how to stand on your bike first, and then like you can put your leg on the frame, and then you can just like one-handed ride. So like if you have like a racing bike and there's no
He's gone.
no brakes, you just like pedal fast. You can put your leg, cross your leg on the frame, and just hold your hand while you're riding. But I prefer to hold both because it's safer. But if you're going slow, then you can do one-handed, like to show off and stuff like that. So we're gonna jump into rock skipping now. So let's get into it.
We're doing this with all caution. We're looking both ways. And here we're at the creek now.
Yeah.
And there's a lot of rocks, as you can see on the ground.
Far down.
And so
We're gonna skip rocks, and
we're gonna be
show
skipping
you
rocks
how
and
to skip rocks.
show
too.
you how to and stuff like that. So
And just we hope you have fun.
first
We hope you have fun watching this video.
First, I'm just gonna show you how to skip a rock. First, you have to find a perfect skipping rock.
It has to be about like
It has to be a little skinny.
Like this skinny.
like this one.
yeah.
And so you want to have one finger right here, one and your thumb finger on the other side, and then you want to take it like this. Well, actually, one finger there, thumb on the top, and middle finger on the bottom. And then you want to take it, and then you just want to throw it sideways, and then it'll skip.
Yeah, he skipped it 3 times. Pretty good.
Jacob, you go next.
Well, we're finding a skipping rock, So here's it. It's okay if it's a little dirty then. Just wash it off in the creek like this. I promise. The creek washes off really well.
Oh yeah.
And then you just dry it off, lean it around, and then you just want to do like Grant said. Put your middle finger on the bottom and your thumb on the bottom too, and then put your front finger up on your pointer finger up on the side, and then you just skip it like this.
You could always do this just in case if you guys don't have a creek. You guys could always do this on lakes. You could do it on rivers. You can do it on
You can do it in any
stream.
type of water.
Yeah, you could do it on any except
could literally do
except
this
for
in
your
your
sink. Yeah, except for your sink. But you could do it in your bathtub though.
Yeah,
But
you can.
you would just need like clean rocks, like really clean rocks.
Like this. And then you just go ahead and skip it. You have
And if you're
Yeah,
really
they-
good at skipping rocks,
It has to be light and it has to be like skinny, like thin, because if it's like too heavy it'll just drop down, and then if it's like too light it'll like
this
it'll
rock. It'll
you could just go flying.
see
That's one example, and the too light one,
like this. It'll just skip.
yeah, you want to get the perfect
if you're really
rock.
good- if you're really good at skipping,
Like if you're
Then-
experienced.
yeah, then you can skip with any rock. Like
Yeah,
you
he
can
skipped
skip
that once,
with
twice.
any rock.
So
Like this rock.
I mean, if you just pull one out of the ground, you can just chuck it. And
Like
it'll
this.
skip. You don't need a certain type of rock.
I mean, you kind of do if you're like learning it.
If you're learning, you need a flat rock like this. And then
You need a
do
flatter.
it like that.
You need a flatter rock like this.
So let's show them the thinnest.
This is probably thin.
And this is
And then-
thin too.
No, this would be flat. So
Yeah,
look at those.
thin and flat. They would
This is the better one
Yeah.
right here. This is what you want to start off with. This, when you get into actually being good with this one, then you can move on to this one. So, see, I'm not a beginner. So, that will skip. And this one will too.
Yeah.
And it's like you get a one like this and you're just learning and you skip it. It doesn't skip.
Yeah, because it's way too heavy.
And it's not thin or flat. Like this one, this is kind of thin and kind of flat, and then you just skip it. Like this is not thin and not flat. You need one like this. I'm not a beginner, so I can just skip one like this sometimes. But this one, here's a beginner. And then if you want to, you can skip that
we're
one.
not doing that one.
And this is how you flash this one.
Yeah.
Here, Ollie, film it.
They're crazy. You almost got me. Okay, but seriously. Yeah, let's go down here for like more skinny rocks. So we're walking down where the rock bed
Walking down
is.
the creek right now.
We're not walking down like in the middle of the creek, but we're walking.
On the rocks. On the rocks.
Yeah, we're
Hi.
walking down on the rocks. So like, we're not in the creek. So. Yeah, we don't want that. That's not safe. And if you
And if you see any type of glass, beginners do not skip the glass.
it could
Anyone.
don't
Do
skip
not
glass
skip
because
glass.
what happened is like when you flip it, it could cut your hand open, and then your parents would have to take it to the emergency room, and that would be an expensive
Even
bill.
though it's really, really flat, you still don't want to skip it.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
this one, you can skip.
See,
Flat and
this.
it's not.
This should not be in here. Fish are in here, and we do not want them dying.
So
And this.
if you see metal or any type of stuff, just take that out. So throw it away so fish don't get injured and stuff like that. So
That's plastic.
plastic, yeah, that's another thing. So let's go back to rock skipping.
And like this.
Well, still, we shouldn't have this in here.
Yeah, just grab that, throw it away.
And rocks are one's really mossy, so you might not be able to get some.
So like rocks down there, they have a lot of moss on them, and when you step on them, you would just slip because they're like super mossy.
Like that one right there. Do not touch the mossy ones.
Like this one isn't mossy, but it's not a good.
Like
So-
these big ones, they're mossy.
So if you want to kind of get a skinny rock, kind of like this one, you want the thickness, then you have to do it at an angle for it to start skipping. You have to do it at an angle, so
You have to do it sideways. So
yeah, you have to kind of do it
you have to
sideways.
Like this, like this.
that hit the wall.
So now we're gonna
You do not
one
wanna
more.
skip.
So now we are going to do one more subject because we have more because we have time. So our next one is going to be,
We're probably gonna do some soccer tutorials.
what about football?
Yeah, we'll do football today, and we'll save trampoline and soccer for tomorrow. So see you at soccer.
see you guys when we're back
See you
at soccer.
Back, guys. Now we're here with some football. We're gonna be playing some football at Jacob's house. And
Yep, this is my house.
this is where we started out. So
Yeah. So, and we're back here again, and we're going to be showing you some football shots. So
Football,
let's get this started.
football
Yeah.
tricks, yeah, that kind of stuff.
okay, so
Let's jump into it.
let's jump into it.
Hope you have fun with this video, guys.
Hope you like it too. Let's try to
Don't
get,
forget to subscribe.
Let's try to get
Like and subscribe.
Let's try to get 20 likes this video, okay? 20.
Like and subscribe, guys.
And turn that bell notifications on. So every time we upload, you can see our new videos.
Yeah.
Okay,
Try to
ready?
get as many as
Jacob, let's
subscribes we can do.
Okay, so
Let's
this
go.
is how you break ankles. Woo!
And then you do a touchdown dance. Like this, wiggle, wiggle, wiggle.
That's the green and black squad touchdown dance. Here, Ollie, hit it with the touchdown dance.
Wiggle, wiggle.
No.
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle.
Oh, oh, oh. Hey. Okay. Here, this is the football pass.
Is that hot?
Here's the football kick.
To fail.
Failure.
Epic fail.
The football kick again.
And here's a punt. No, well, here's a
I can punt it.
here's a kickoff. Will you hold this? Will Jacob hold this? Hold it like this. Okay.
Don't kick it so it hits the car.
Wait. Okay.
Okay, Grant. Grant, you try to hold it.
Okay.
Watch out for your faces, though. We are doing this with caution.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Like that.
That's awesome. That is.
That's how you do it, baby.
A swag.
Did that go in? Oh.
You got lucky that it didn't go
And
in.
here's how, and then here's how you punt, like in football, if you don't get the first down.
Wait, can I try and punt it? Okay.
Yeah, here. Ollie.
I can punt it like really far. Okay, so.
Wait, what? What, Ollie?
Okay, Jacob, come on.
You're to catch is 3.
Okay.
Oh, almost got it. Come on, Ollie.
Yeah, I've never played
Put
football.
that thing back. Here we go.
I can go farther. I just hit it at an angle.
Woo! That went far. Yikes.
Here's how you kick it all the way across the road.
Try that again for me. I kind of failed that one.
Yikes. That went far. Yikes, Jacob.
Why?
Here we go, Ollie. Do this thing. Oh my God. His shoe came off. Wait, let me see that shoe. His shoe came off. Here.
That was high up.
This football knocked his shoe off.
Let's try that again.
Yeah, we're gonna try it one more time. See if we can do it. Oh my God! Oh!
Dude, it didn't even touch the ground.
Yeah, that's how you play football, right there.
Amazing.
The grounder. Wow. Grant, after
This is how you kick it all the way across the road. And that's probably gonna end the video right here. Hope you like this video, like and subscribe. Turn that bell notifications on so every time we upload, you can see our new video. And goodbye.
Bye.
See ya.